Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to skip Instagram Meta Verified waitlist. Normally, when you apply for Meta Verified, Instagram might put you on a waitlist, but by following the right steps, you can unlock the subscription directly and start the process without waiting. Let's go step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are logged into your account, or create one if you do not already have one. Now, tap on the profile icon in the bottom left corner. From here, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open Settings and Activity. Scroll down until you find the section called More from Meta. Tap on Meta Verified, and then tap the Unlock Benefits button. Instagram will process for a few seconds, and then show you the option to continue. Tap on Continue, and it will take you to the payment screen to finalize your subscription. Another way to speed up the process is by using the search bar inside Settings and Activity. Type in Request Verification and tap on it. Here, Instagram will ask you to confirm your authenticity, your notability, and even let you add external links to support your profile. Once you fill out the details, go ahead and submit the request. This method helps you bypass the waitlist and push your verification request directly to Instagram. And that's it. With these steps, you can skip the Meta Verified waitlist and move ahead with getting your blue badge on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.